Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Soaring Kids TV. Today we are going to learn A to Z. Okay? तो शुरू करते हैं बच्चों. A is for apple. Apple means सेब. Apple means सेब. Okay? B is for ball. B is for ball. Ball means Gan. Next letter is C. C is for cap. C is for cap. Cap means topa. D is for duck. D is for duck. Duck means battak. Next letter is E. E is for egg. E is for egg. Egg means anda. Next letter is F. Okay kids, this is letter F. F is for fish. Fish means machli. This is letter G. Okay kids, G is for grapes. G is for grapes. Grapes means angur. H is for hat. H is for hat. Hat means topa. This is letter I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. This is letter J. Okay kids? J is for jug. J is for jug. Jug means jug. This is letter K. K is for kite. Kite means patang. Next letter is L. L is for lamp. L is for lamp. Lamp means lamp. This letter is M. M is for mango. Mango means aam. Next letter is N. N is for nest. Nest means ghosla. Next letter is O. O is for orange. Orange means santra. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Parrot means tota. Next letter is Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Queen means Rani. Okay बच्चों? Next letter is R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. Next letter is S. S is for ship. S is for ship. Ship means जहाज. This is letter T. T is for tomato. T is for tomato. Tomato means tomato. This is letter U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. This is letter V. V is for vegetables. Vegetables means sabziyan. Next letter is W. W is for whale. W is for wheel. Wheel means kuwa. Next letter is X. X is for Xmas tree. X is for Xmas tree. Next letter is Y. Y is for yacht. Y is for yacht. Yacht means now. Next letter is Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Zebra means चित्तीदार घोड़ा. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.